puffy face, tired skin, large pores. These 3 ingredients coffee mask can make your skin look tighter, brighter, and glowing in a minute. This viral DIY mask create a powerful natural treatment for smoother, firmer, radiant looking skin. Here's what you need. 1 egg white. Help tighten pores and firm the skin instantly. Coffee. Gently exfoliate. Help reduce puffiness. And wake up tired looking skin. 1 teaspoon. Honey deeply hydrates while leaving the skin soft and glowing. 1 tablespoon. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. The coffee gives a gently scrub effect, while the honey keeps the skin moisturized. This DIY glow mask helps reduce puffiness, brighten dull skin, tighten and enlarge pores, balance excess oil, deeply hydrate and soften skin. Give a fresh, radiant glow. Apply a thin layer onto clean skin using clean finger or a brush. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes until the mask feels tighter on your face. Then, gently rinse while massaging in circular motion for extra exfoliation. If your skin looks tired and stressed, try this easy coffee glow mask tonight. Always patch test first before trying DIY skincare.